Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to teach you LCM and HCF of fractions. LCM and HCF of fractions. LCM of fractions. LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. This is the formula we have to use to find the LCM of fractions. Next, HCF of fractions. HCF of fractions is equals to HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator. Next, one more formula, the relation between HCF and LCM. HCF into LCM is equals to product of numbers. In this video, I'm going to solve the problems based on these three formulas. Find the LCM of 3 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 9 3 by 5 and 4 6 by 9. These are combination of mixed fraction and proper fraction. 3 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction, right? So convert it into improper fraction. Three 1 by 4, which is equals to, how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? Multiply the denominator into whole number. 4 3 is 12. 12 we have to add to the numerator. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 4. 3 by 4 is 3 by 4. No need to change it. It is a proper fraction. Next, 9 3 by 5. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 3 how much? 48. 48 by 5. Next, 4 6 by 9. 4 6 by 9. This mixed fraction is not in the simplest form. Here 6 and 9. These both numbers is cancelable by 3 table. Okay. So convert into simplest form. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. We can write it as 4 2 by 3. Okay. Next, convert into improper fraction. 3 4s are how much? 12. 12 2s are, sorry, 12 plus 2, 14. 14 by 3. Now the fractions are 13 by 4, 3 by 4, 48 by 5, 14 by 3. 13 by 4, 3 by 4, 48 by 5, 14 by 3. These are the fractions. Now we have to find the LCM of the fraction. What is the formula for LCM of fraction? LCM of fraction is equals to LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. So now first to find the LCM of numerators. LCM of numerator, it means LCM of 13, 3, 48, 14. Okay. So (13), 3, 48, 14. So take 2 table. 13 won't come in 2 table. So 13 write as this, 3 write as this. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So 2 24s are 48. 2 7s are 14. Okay, next. Take 3 table. 13 won't come in 3 table. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. 7 as this. because 7 won't come in 3 table. Here 13, 1, 8 and 7. These 4 numbers doesn't have any common factor. So the multiplication of 2 into 3 into 13 into 1 into 8 into 7 is the LCM. So LCM is equals to 2 into 3 into 13 into 8 into 7. 2 3 is a 6. 6 into 13 into 7 8 is a 56. Okay. 13 6 are 78 into 56. Now find 78 into 56. 78 into 56. 6 8s are 48. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 4, 46. 5 8s are 40. 40. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 4, 39. 8. 6 plus 0, 6. 4 plus 9, 13. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 3 6 8. What is the LCM of the numerators? 4368. Okay. Now find HCF. HCF of what are the denominators? HCF of denominators. HCF of denominators is equals to HCF of 4, 4, 5, 3. Yes, 4, 4, 4, 5, 3. So 4, 4, 5, 3. These 4 numbers, 4 and 4, which is having the common factor is 2, 2 times 4. Okay, common 2 into 2, 2 into 2. But these 4 doesn't have no common factors. So what is the HCF of 4, 4, 5, 3? HCF of 4, 4, 5, 3 is equals to 1. So therefore, LCM of 3 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 9 3 by 5, 4 6 by 9 is equals to 4368. LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator is 1. So which is equals to 4368 is the answer. So which option is the correct answer? 4368. The first option is correct answer. Next problem. HCF of the reciprocals of the fractions 3 by 4, 9 by 10 and 15 by 16. Here you have to observe the question. HCF of reciprocals of the fractions. Don't find the HCF of the fractions. First write the reciprocal of the fractions and then find the HCF of those fractions. So find the reciprocal. First write the reciprocal of the fractions. Reciprocal of fractions is equals to, reciprocal means we have to write the numerator as denominator and the denominator as numerator. So 3 by 4 will become 4 by 3. 9 by 10 as 10 by 9. 15 by 16 as 16 by 15. Now find the HCF of 4 by 3, 10 by 9 and 16 by 15. HCF of 4 by 3, comma 10 by 9, comma 16 by 15 is equals to HCF of 4, comma 10, comma 16 by LCM of 3, comma 9, comma 15. So now find HCF of 4, comma 10, comma 16. So can write 4 as 4 is equals to 2 2s are 4, right? Next 10 as 2 5s are 10. Next 16, 2 into 2 into 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. If you have any difficulty, see how I am writing 4 as 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. This is the actual process. Okay. 2 10 as 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. And 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So we can write 4 as the product of prime factors 2 into 2, 10 is equals to 2 into 5, 16 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So what is the HCF here? What is the common in all the three numbers? 2 is common, right? So 2. Again in 4 is equals to 2 into 2, we have 2, but it doesn't have any 2 in the second number. 10 is equals to 2 into 5. So there are no other numbers common, other factors common in all the three numbers. So therefore, HCF of 4, 10, 16 is equals to 2. Next. Find LCM. LCM of 3, 9, 15. So 3, 9, 15. So fine. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay. 3 5s are 15. Next. 1 is as is, 3 1s are 3. 5. 1, 1, 5 1s are 5. So 3 into, what is the LCM multiplication of? LCM of 3, 9, 15 is equals to 3 into 3 into 5. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. Therefore, HCF of 4 by 3, 10 by 9, 16 by 15 is equals to HCF of 9, 10, 16 is 2. LCM of 3, 9, 15 is 45. So 2 by 45 is the answer. So option D is the correct answer. So in the question, first you have to read the question carefully. HCF of the reciprocals of the fraction is 3 by 4, 9 by 10 and 15 by 16 is. So you have to first write the reciprocal of the fractions and then you have to use the formula. You have to solve it. Next question. The product of two numbers is 144 and the HCF of two numbers is 8. Find the LCM of the numbers. So the third formula. What is the relation between LCM and HCF? HCF into LCM is equals to product of numbers. Product of numbers. Okay, this is the relation. So we have to substitute the given numbers in the formula and we have to solve the problem. The product of two numbers is what? The given product of numbers is 144. Product of numbers 144. HCF of the numbers is 8. So the HCF of numbers is 8. And what is the LCM? Find the LCM. We have to find LCM. Okay, LCM. So we have to find LCM. LCM is equals to 144. Here 8 into LCM. So I am writing 8 from, I am converting 8 from LH left hand side to right hand side. Okay, so 8 into LCM. So I am writing this from LHS to RHS. So 8 is in the multiplication relation. So if I am writing in the right hand side, it will become in the division. So 144 by 8. LCM is equals to 144 by 8. So you have to divide 144 with 8. 144 with 8. 8 to the 16. So we have to take 8 ones. 8 ones are 8. If we subtract 8 from 14, we will get what? 6. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6. Write down the next number, drop down the next number, 64. 8 8s are 64. So 18, which is 18. The shortcut, we can use cancellation method. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. So 14 minus 8 is 6. So 6 4 will become 64. So 8 8 is 64. This also you can use. So at last the LCM is equals to 18. So the option A is correct. First, from the question you have to identify what is given, what you have to find. In the question they are given the product of numbers and the LCM of two numbers. Find the LCM of the number. So in the formula you have to substitute the given values. You have to find the required. Next. The LCM of two numbers is 630 and the HCF is 9. If one of the number is 90, then find the other number. So write the relation. HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers. Product of the numbers. HCF. HCF is 9. 9 into, what is the LCM? LCM of two numbers is 630. 630. The one number is 90. We don't know the other number. So let's consider it as X. We don't know the other number. So we have to consider it as X. So now we have to find X. So we can write this whole in the LHS and we can write this all in RHS. Okay, interchanging. 90 into X is equals to 9 into 630. So now I have to find X, right? The other number. So X is equals to 9 into 630 by 90. Before problem I have explained. Here 90 into X. I am writing this from LHS to RHS. It will become in the division. 9 into 630 by 90. 9 is in the numerator, 90 is in the denominator. So we can cancel these two. 9 ones are 9. 9 tens are 90. 9 into 630. Into is there. So we can cancel 9 and 90. If in place of into, if it is plus or minus, we cannot divide it. Okay. Here it is a multiplication. So in this way, we can cancel 9 and 90. 9 ones are 9. 9 tens are 90. Okay. Next, in 10 table, we have to cancel 630. 63 times, right? 10 ones are 10. 10 63s are 630. $663. So the answer is 63. In the other way, how you can, it is 630. Okay, 630 by 10. Okay, 0 0 get cancelled. 63 by 1, which is equals to 63. This is the other method how to cancel 630 by 10. Okay. Next. The LCM of two numbers is 28 times of their HCF. The sum of their LCM and HCF is 1740. If one number is 240, then what is the other number? The LCM of two numbers is 28 times of their HCF. So we don't know what is the HCF, but the LCM is 28 times of their HCF. The sum of their LCM and HCF is 1740. If one of the number is 240, then what is the other number? Read the question twice and thrice, and then understand what is given, what you have to find. So from the question, we don't know what is the HCF. Okay. So let HCF is equals to X. So then what will become the LCM? 28 times of their HCF, right? 28 times means 28 into X will become 28X. Okay. What they given? The sum of their LCM and HCF. Sum of their means HCF plus LCM. HCF plus LCM means X plus 28. X is equals to how much? 1740, which means 29x is equals to 1740. Then what is x here? X is equals to 1740 by 29. If you multiply 29 into, why I'm taking 6 means here we have before the 0 we have 4. Okay, I'm considering 4. So in 9 table, in the ones place, where you will get 4? 6 9s are 54, right? That is the reason I'm actually taking 6. 6 9s are 54. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5, 17. So 174. 29 6 are 174. 29 6 are 174. 0. So write 0. So 29 into 60 will become 1740. So what is the x value? 60. X is nothing but what? HCF. HCF is equals to how much? 60. Okay. Now, then if HCF is 60, what is LCM? LCM is equals to 28 into X. Okay. So 28 into 60. So find 28 into 60. 0 into 0. 6 8s are 48. 6 2s are 12 plus 4. 16. 0 8 6 1 1680, which is equals to 1680. Okay. Next. Now we got what is HCF and what is LCM. We have find out. Next, if one of the number is 240, then we have to find the other number. We know the formula, right? HCF into LCM is equals to product of numbers. Product of numbers. Product of the numbers. So what is the HCF? HCF is equals to 60. 60 into 1680 is equals to, what is the product of numbers? The one number is 240. The other we don't know. So I'm taking it as Y, because we have taken already X as HCF, right? So take the another variable as Y, the other number as Y. Next. So now I have to find Y, right? So I'm interchanging LHS is equals to RHS and RHS as LHS. So I'm writing is 240 into Y is equals to 60 into 1680. So y is equals to 60 into 1680 by 240. Okay. So here in the numerator we have 0 and here also here 0. We can cancel. Otherwise 61 the 60. 64 the 240. Okay. This is done. Next step 1680 by 4. 4 4 the 16. 4 2 the 8. 0. 4 1 the 4. 4 4 the 16. 4 2 the 8. 4 0 the 0. So the answer is 420. What is a y? Y is nothing but the other number. Other number is equals to 420. So the option A is correct. So in this question, you have to read the question properly. What is given, what you have to find, use the information, given information, and find what is the required number. First of all, we don't know the HCF, so I'm considering it as X. So the LCM will become 28 times of HCF. So 28 into X. And the given the sum of their LCM and HCF. Sum means addition. So HCF plus LCM is equals to X plus 28. X is equals to 1740. X plus 28, X will become 29. X is equals to 1740. Now divide 1740 by 29. If we divide 1740 with 29, we will get 60 is the answer. So HCF is equals to 60. The LCM is 28 into X. It means 28 into 60. So 1680. So now we got here the HCF and the LCM. And in the question, they have given the one of the number. We have to find the other number. We can use the formula HCF is into LCM is equals to product of numbers. So 60 into 1680 is equals to one of the number is 240. We don't know the other number. So I'm naming it as Y. Because X I am already used here as HCF. So I'm taking the other variable Y. So I'm interchanging the whole LHS as RHS and RHS as LHS. So 240 into Y is equals to 60 into 1680. So now I want Y is equals to 60 into 1680 by 240. If we cancel this 61 the 60, 64 is 240, which is equals to 1680 by 4, which is equals to 420. The other number is 420. So option A is the correct.